Alright, friends, subscribers, and no strangers, what's up? So I'm out here today, and my job is to clean this guy. But beard, you say it looks pretty clean already. What the hell? Glad you asked. Alright. So you ever get these coffee pots, and some of you savages, you know who you are. You just make coffee until your coffee pot is as black as your heart. Never fear, never fear. I've got some old school learnings that was taught. I hate to give Joni any credit, but my lovely wife of the better part of the third of a century said, Mama used to do this. And I'm like, all right, Mama used to do this. Holy crap, Mama's old recipe works. So let's show you how to clean these things up, make your coffee taste better, or if you're gonna sell one of these, make it clean. All right, so we gotta go inside. The backyard's a mess. Yeah, it's gonna snow again, so that's my snow platform, so the dogs are gonna have somewhere to use the bathroom. All right, so we're going inside. All right, so you need two things. You need enough water to fill it up, scalding hot. Scalding hot. So we're gonna put this in the microwave for probably 6 minutes. I'd be smarter if I just used if you've got one of these, use one of these. They're probably smarter, but I am bound and determined to use a microwave. All right, be back in 6 minutes with the second ingredient. All right, we've only got like 30 seconds left until the water is ready. So I had to run 8 minutes. Oops, sorry about that. Hey, y'all want to know what are we having for dinner? Okay, so Joni is she was raised in Alabama, doesn't know how to cook. I had to teach her how to cook chili. And so I taught her how to cook this chili right here. So in case y'all were looking, that's what's for dinner. It's going to be amazing. Okay, I give up cooking chili. That's all. I can follow a recipe. I'd make that up. We like it so much. All right, so you need two ingredients, like I said, two. Cascade. So if you got one of these little pods right here, that's all you need. So we're now going to take the pod and put it in the pot. Maybe I should have stabbed this thing before I did this. It'll come apart. Don't worry. This is what we're doing here. I told everybody that I had to teach you how to cook chili. You didn't know how to cook.
Shit.
Alright, so that's it. This is the Johnny's Mama recipe on how to clean a coffee pot. Alright, so hot water. And according to Joni, it has to be scalding ass hot. Alright. Oops.
That's not hot.
It is hot. It's been 8 minutes in the microwave. Alright, now you have to wait put the lid back on, keep the heat in, and wait 30 minutes. So what am I going to do to entertain y'all for 30 minutes? Yeah, I'm not even that talented. See you in 30 minutes. Alright, it's been 30 minutes. Where have y'all been? I've been waiting patiently. Alright, let's see if Mildred worked this time. That was the mother-in-law's name, by the way. Ooh, it looked like I made some coffee in here. Alright, so come on. I don't know if you'll see it or not, but let's see how black that water is. That's awesome. Man, this thing worked. It worked its magic again. No scrubbing bubbles. Oh man, I'm gonna get a camera picture too, so show y'all how clean this thing is. All I'm doing is rinsing it out. See, rinse it out. Rinse. Look at. Can y'all see in there? Can y'all see in there? Perfect. Man, don't work hard. Okay, so let's get out the phone and see if I can get a good picture in there. All right. How close can y'all get? All right, so that's it. That's how you clean a coffee pot that has gone just black, pitch black. It alters the taste of your coffee. Do yourself a favor. Just a little Cascade, hot water, fill it up, let it sit 30 minutes, and then enjoy fresh, clean, great tasting coffee. All right. See y'all in the next video. Roll Tide.